When it comes to social media in 2022, TikTok is one of the most powerful social media platforms. With the endless variety of content, it's almost impossible not to get stuck. Apart from the entertainment section, TikTok has become a goldmine for business owners and startups. So how can you find your own target audience and get your first 1,000 followers on TikTok? Hi everyone, this is Luna from Shoplazza, your e-commerce partner and business builder. In this video, I will walk you through several ways that you can get more TikTok followers. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date on our helpful tutorials to grow your online business. Getting 1,000 followers on TikTok is vital for businesses because only when you have more than 1,000 followers, TikTok will allow you to enjoy more features and make money on TikTok, such as posting a link in your bio and going live on TikTok. We have introduced how to go live on TikTok. You can find it on the top right corner of the screen. Okay, so now let's dive into how to get your first 1,000 followers on TikTok. The very first thing you should do before starting your TikTok account is to define your target audience. As a business, you're not creating content for the 1 billion users on TikTok, you're aiming to create content for a particular set of people who love to interact with what your business offers. This is your target audience. To determine your target audience, you might need to create personas first. What type of age group will use your products and what kind of content that this age group like? Which time are they most active on TikTok? Do research to identify your target audience. Also, monitoring your analytics is a great way to identify your target audience. You can use this to know your followers' genders, distribution, and location. This gives you an idea of when your followers will be most active so you can know when to post. To access the analytics of your post, remember to switch to a business account first. Once you've found your target audience, create content that suits them. You can get inspiration from your competitors on the app to see what resonates with your target audience. However, remember, you're not an entertainer. You need an audience that will patronize you, so try your best to attract people that will convert into sales for you. Tip number 2, joining trends on TikTok to get viral. Trends is to TikTok just the way trending topic is to Twitter. However, on TikTok, trends are much more powerful depending on how well it resonates with the user base. So trends could be the way you get a viral video that changes the game for your business. Try as much as possible to participate in trends that relate to your business. But don't jump on all trends just because you like them. Find those that relate to your business and people can know what you do by watching the videos. Also, you should try to find trends your audience likes or is participating in. This increases your chances of getting to their For You page. Here's an example. Coach recently featured trending audio from Clueless. This clip earned 2.6 million views and was a perfect match for the promotional throwback to the 90s. As you can see, a good practice would be to participate in the more popular and relatable trends. This gets your video to a bigger audience and the chances of finding new customers increase. Besides, brands should also mind ongoing content trends and popular content formats. For example, the ASMR hashtag on TikTok has over 360 billion views. Yes, billion. So keep an eye out on trends on TikTok and make creative content to attract your target audiences. Tip number 3, use hashtags for your videos. Hashtags are one of the surest way to get people interested in your type of content to notice your brand. When you don't use hashtags, it confuses the TikTok algorithm on how to show your content. However, with hashtags, the algorithm shows your videos to the people who interact with the type of hashtags you use, hence bringing those with true interest to your video. Try to add enough hashtags using various variants of the keywords your target audience might search for. You could also use hashtag analytics tools to find out which hashtags are most engaged in your community. However, try to use as many specific keywords as possible, as generic hashtags might get your video to the wrong audience. If you already have a good following, you could also try using branded or company hashtags. However, you might need an influencer to help you create content with this branded hashtags. This helps you gain access to a wider audience and increases your chances of getting more TikTok followers. Tip number 4, Duet other TikTok videos. Doing duets with popular TikTok content is a great way to get followers on TikTok. For example, if you duet a company selling complimentary products on TikTok, you're getting your content to a new audience that could be interested in your products. While most of them might not buy from you immediately, you could gain them as new followers that can become customers later on. However, you should only duet content that is relatable to your brand. This gives your brand an identity people can associate with. Tip number 5, cross-promote your videos. Marketing cannot survive on TikTok alone. A robust digital marketing strategy has to include other social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and even Pinterest or Reddit. Wherever your target audience spends their time online is where you should be. Use your online presence to cross-promote your TikTok videos, sharing your TikTok content on other social media platforms. If you check out Instagram Reels, you'll notice that many Reels users share their TikTok content on the platform. While you can easily just add your TikTok videos with the TikTok watermark, this is perfect to send your Instagram followers to your TikTok profile and grow your TikTok followers. Okay, now you can try getting your first 1,000 followers since you have ideas in mind, and don't forget to integrate your online store with your TikTok account to grow your business better. If you don't have your online store yet, you must check out Shoplazza. Shoplazza allows you to build your website in a day with an intuitive interface and tons of themes, so you can use all of them for free. Also, you don't have to worry about getting new customers because we have powerful apps and intelligent marketing solutions to help you scale and grow your online business. So if you are a small business owner wondering how to get your idea off the ground, click the link below and try the full Shoplazza platform for free. We would love to help you build your dream business, so make sure you're clicking the link in the description box. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and motivate us for more videos. If you have not yet subscribed, we have videos like this every week covering tips about starting and growing an online business. So if you are an e-commerce entrepreneur, make sure that you're hitting that subscribe button so you're not missing out on our future videos. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.